Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you how to check the tires on your car. Are you interested? Let's have a look.
For check deepness of the tire, we have to use the tool like that. Yeah, we have to put between the thread on this deeper line, like in here. Measure it. You can have a look, and it's below 8 millimeters, so the thread is alright. Yeah. In here are 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. These points are marked for 1.6 millimeters, so it's the lowest what you can do on the tire. Yeah. It's minimum on here, and on here, the points area. And also the tire need to be checked for cracks like this one. Yeah, like in here there's cracks, you can see it. Yeah, if you have cracks like that, the tire shouldn't be used. This is very dangerous tire. Yeah, in here you have cracks, tiny cracks. The tire like that can break anytime on the road, like can do explosion. In here I marked it on the white, but usually is like black, yeah, like the tire color. I marked the date of the tire. You can see in here 1/8, that means the 18th week, yeah, 18th week of 05, so 18th week of 2005. So this tire got about 16 years, so definitely shouldn't be used. If you guys have the tires like that, just throw them away and change it. Yeah, also you can check in here the cracks. The tire shouldn't have bulges, like, yeah, or cords on the thread side. And in here cracks too, yeah. In here, so the tires like that shouldn't be used. That's it.
So if you guys are happy with my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.